here.
These are
Right here.
they're making a snowman.
Oh, good. Not that tacky.
Just follow me.
It was too dry.
No, Katie, I got my phone out.
Why don't you get your dad? I'm already sweat, and I didn't bring
This is fucking. Ow! You got an extra. I'm trying my best to get this guy. Ow!
Ow! Lexi, give her back.
No, my gloves are wet.
Here,
Time out. Lexi's got wet gloves.
ass.
Let's go!
Put these on.
Too
My
dry.
hands are cold.
Those will be warm. That way you can get them.
You gotta wait for a couple days when it warms up.
You guys got a dryer?
Yeah.
No.
I got
Hey, yeah, we got a dryer. You go like this.
My gloves are like soaked, and this is wet.
Those will work. So now you can get them with those.
Yeah.
Go get them.
Come on!
You'll be all right with those. Come on, woman. Get your ass down here.
Come on. Well, she got plenty of snow up there.
No, I don't. Not like you took it all.
I get it!
I got you.
No!
Oh.
You got my phone.
Oh, yeah, you hurt it.